Hey guys, this is Clinton Jeff and today we're checking out the brand new Adidas Yeezy Quantum in the teal blue colorway. This is actually my first pair of Quantums, so I'm pretty excited to check them out. Here we go. The Yeezy Quantum Teal Blue colorway dropped October 10th for a retail price of $250 in the US. So yeah, it's one of the more expensive Yeezys. The Quantums have dropped in 3 colorways so far, and this one is kind of alright. You'll either love it or hate it, but I thought they were okay. I just really wanted a pair of Quantums and I managed to cop these at retail price, so here we are. The Yeezy Quantum Teal Blue features a DG camo upper with teal blue accents, a suede toe box, reflective detailing on the heel, and full-length Boost cushioning. And initially the Quantums were being pitched as basketball shoes. In fact, there's a separate, more basketball-focused version of the Quantums as well. But these are pretty much your usual everyday casual wear Yeezys. Starting with the box, it's your usual Yeezy brown cardboard box with Boost written on the side, the model number Quantum on top, and the size tag on the side that says the name of this colorway, which in this case is T Blue, T Blue, T Blue. I mean, Teal Blue. Funny enough, judging from all the American sneaker YouTuber reviews out there, this size tag still has the older, often-in name in America and Europe, but it looks like they managed to fix it in time here in Asia. As you might already know, for a little while there, Yeezy used biblical names for their shoes, which was a little weird. And after causing a bit of controversy with the Israfil 350s, I guess they finally decided to go back to regular names. And here we are with the Teal Blue. Coming to the shoe itself and starting with the upper, you have this dark grey synthetic suede overlay at the toe box area. This area is supposed to offer a good amount of toe protection since these are supposed to be basketball shoes and all. And the synthetic suede kind of feels okay. Along the sides and mid panel of the shoe, you'll see the jacquard knit panel, which seems to be a one-piece knit. Yep, you heard that right, it's just one large knit piece with an internal sock liner underneath so your foot isn't up against a raw knit here. The knit has a wave-like pattern with the top half having a mix of that teal blue color along with a sort of greyish color, whereas the bottom half has more light greys accented by darker greys. And then on top of all of this, you'll see the silver reflective 3M thread that creates this reflective wave pattern that looks pretty darn cool. Apart from that, the medial and lateral sides of the shoe are pretty much the same in terms of design. Moving up the center of the shoe, you'll see these black Yeezy rope laces, which thankfully enough are regular laces. None of that newfangled Yeezy infinite lacing system here. The reason for this is probably because these are supposed to be performance basketball shoes, even though they are really casual lifestyle shoes. So just in case you wear them to play basketball in, you'll be able to tie the shoelaces for a proper fit. Underneath the laces, there's the black synthetic tongue, which actually isn't really a tongue because it's connected to the upper at the sides, almost like a one-piece booty construction. The only actual separation is at the top to make it slightly easier to slide your foot into the shoe. Weirdly enough, the tongue has no padding at all, so it's just fabric on top of your foot. It's not uncomfortable or anything, it's just something that you should take a note of. There's also no padding for the ankle around the collar of the shoe, although there's a surprising amount of padding around the heel area. Coming to the inside of the shoe, there's a black insole with the Adidas branding and the Yeezy branding printed on the heel in a grey color. Moving on towards the back of the shoe, you will see this large black neoprene material panel up top, and below that there's a large TPU heel counter. The heel counter has these two color schemes split between this reflective silver grey area and this dark grey area towards the top, which is also reflective. Since it's a rather large heel counter, it does do a pretty good job at keeping your heel locked in with every step that you take in these. But that being said, I'm not a huge fan of this little area here where the heel counter meets the midsole panel. I just feel like over time this is definitely going to get loose. Or maybe the plastic might crack and deform, so admittedly I'm a little anxious about that happening. Moving downwards, the entire upper sits on top of a full-length Boost midsole that is encased in this semi-translucent grey rubber. For any of y'all that have tried out a pair of Ultra Boost or any Boost shoes for that matter, y'all know how comfortable Boost cushioning is, and that's the primary reason why Yeezys are such a comfortable pair of sneakers to usually wear. Unfortunately, the Quantums have less boost in the midsole than most Yeezys, or even other Adidas sneakers in this price range. Instead, the boost here is encased to prevent it from getting too mushy and makes the boost a tiny bit more responsive. So while it still provides a decent amount of impact protection, these aren't as plush as a pair of Ultra Boosts. And then lastly, moving to the bottom of the shoe, the Quantums have a creamy yellow outsole with these little cutouts for the Boost. Alright, that's about it for design. Coming to fit and sizing, these fit just like any other pair of Yeezy Quantums. It does have a really snug fit, so I definitely advise going up half a size over your 350 V2 sizing. Or if you have wide feet like I do, I definitely recommend going up a full size. For example, I'm a size UK 11, but I have really wide feet, so I generally go up half a size for 350 V2s. But for these, I went up a full size to a UK 12, and these fit perfect. So yeah, sizing on these is definitely something that you want to do a bit of research on. Alright guys, with all that out of the way, let's take a look at the Yeezy Quantums in the teal blue colorway on feet. Honestly, the teal blue Yeezy Quantums are a pretty decent colorway. I've always wanted a pair of these just because I love how the shoe looks, and it definitely fits my style. That being said, I do feel like the earlier, more greyish colorways look better, but they were much harder to cop. I definitely don't think I would ever wear these for actually playing basketball though, but they definitely make a nice pair of lifestyle casual wear shoes for sure. Alright guys, so that was a quick look at the Yeezy Quantums in the teal blue colorway. I'd love to know what you guys think about this colorway and whether you're thinking about picking up a pair of these. Let me know right in the comment section below. And of course, if you want to see more photos of the teal blue Yeezy Quantums, please head on over to my Instagram account to check it out and maybe give me a follow at ClintonJeff. And hey, if you found this video helpful and you want to support the channel, don't forget to hit the like button right below and maybe subscribe because that would be appreciated. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.